Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss about the analyze the province of India Government Act 1935. Analyze the province of province of India, province of India Government, British Government of Act 1935. Okay. Analyze the Province of India British Government Act 1935. 1935 Act. It is one of the main important of the act, historical national movements. So, who is enacted? British Governor General. The British Governor General. Okay. The British Governor General Lord Wellington. Lord Wellington. The British Governor General Lord Wellington enacted of the Act 1935 Act. Lord Wellington enacted of the Act 1935. So, our Indian Constitution, beginning of the Constitution, main provinces elections also conducted. So, British government Lord Wellington, some in this period 1935. What is special about 1935? 1935 Act. This Act mainly some type of movements also start. For example, there civil disobedience movement. Civil disobedience movement. Okay, and next civil disobedience movement, Chirala Perala movement. Chirala Perala. This is the one of the farmers movement. Some movements 1935 British government period, mainly two type of movements also started. Civil disobedience, Salt Satyagraha movement. Second is Chirala Perala, Andhra state Chirala Perala village movement. Okay, and next another movement, national women rights movements. National women's right movement also mainly affected national women's rights. Okay, so analyze the provinces of India British government of Act 1935. Provinces, particularly some part only in our India, some part only conduct the elections. Some provinces of India, some regions of India, some parts of India. Okay, these areas only conduct the elections. Particularly western part of India, Bombay province of India conduct the elections. In this period, Stafford Cripps, who is Sir Stafford Cripps, one of the British Governor General, 1935 year, Sir Stafford Cripps. Stafford Cripps, announcer of the independent of India. So, Sir Stafford Cripps, 1935, came to India and mainly suggestions given. British Governor General suggestions. Okay, in this period, Calcutta riots, Calcutta hartals, and Bombay farmers. Okay, Madras President's area, like many movements. The movements totally changed of 1935 Act. William Wellington, announced of this William Wellington, example, extremist person. Yesterday class. Okay, yesterday we will discuss about three type of movements: moderate phase, and next extremist phase, Gandhian phase or Gandhian period. So three type of movements. The three type of movements help of in our Indian Constitution. Okay, Indian Constitution, article assigned, schedules, parts, amendment. These are total how to help of the Indian Constitution. Yesterday we will discuss in class. Okay, today now what is special about this 1935 Act? 1935 year The movement totally main important movements emerged upon India. Main important movements. Civil disobedience movement. Next, Chirala Perala movement. Calcutta Hartals. Bombay Presidents of India movement. And next, national women rights. Women's rights also like elections type. Okay. This movement mainly announced of the decide of the movement. This decide of the separate of independent. Who is the main person? British Governor General. Who is the main person? British Governor General Sir Stafford Cripps. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi, Sir Stafford Cripps mainly announced of the policies. Okay, Chirala Perala policies also. Okay, so this act mainly Williamton. Example, Bellington policy, Western policy, crucial policy, crucial policy. Okay, violence, crucial. Okay, tortured many people, torturing of many people in many society, many areas, particularly western and eastern areas. Okay, crucial policy and torturing many people. It is also called violence. Okay, created violence, crucial, and attacked many sea coast areas, sea part of areas, sea coast or sea areas of area. Okay, particularly mainly western India's mainly Bombay Presidency. This is presidency is called Bombay Presidency. And next Madras Presidency. Okay, next Bengal areas, Bengal Presidency are now is called Kolkata. Okay, so Sir Stafford Cripps came to Bombay. Who is Sir Stafford Cripps? Sir Stafford Cripps, one of the British Governor General. So British Governor General, one of the British Governor General. Okay, British Governor General came to Bombay. Main helped out many local peoples main went to the prisons. Okay, particularly Bombay Presidency, Madras and Bengal Presidency of areas. Okay, so this is the mainly government of India. Government of India means so it is British government, not only Indian government. So British government of India, British government Act 1935. The 1935 under in this year 1935 to and 1945. 1935 to 1945. So this period totally confusion of many areas. World War II beginning of in some encourage the colonial system. In this period many colonial countries also emerged. Many colonial countries. Okay, India is also one of the British colony country. Many new colonial countries also established in this year 1935 to 45 period. So this 1935 many movements totally changes out in historically, particularly British Governor Generals. Many British Governor Generals came to force and established of the new companies. The new companies particularly Bengal Province Company. It is also called East India Company. English East India Company. And next Portuguese Company. Portuguese has also came to Daman and Pondicherry. These regions Portuguese also came to this area settled. But some years only ruling, particularly very few years, 5 to 10 years. So afterwards next British also settled and attacked and loot the many natural areas, natural forest areas also. So Stafford Cripps mainly announced of the independent in which year 1935. So 1935 so Stafford Cripps came into Bombay, particularly British ruling of areas. Okay, power of the British system of the area, Bombay, Madras, Bengal provinces of India. So these three provinces under the direct control of British Governor General. Next day, we will discuss already. British Governor General mainly help of some system also include. Like example, road, railways, post office and telegraph office. Okay, next transport. Okay, etc. These are the mainly helped of the British Governor Generals. So many Britishers. Okay, development of some areas. Okay, what is main development? The development mainly road and railway network, post and telegraph offices, road and railway, post and telegraph office, telephonic technology. Okay, next sea coast of areas. Okay, yeah, etc. These are mainly developed by the British government period. So the 1935 Act is the crucial ruling system. Torture the many people, many movements also. The movements totally turning point of the independence. Okay. Example 1857 first independent revolution start. The 1857 one of the first movement. 1857 first independent movement. Second independent movement 1935. Next third independent by 1942. Okay, last to decide 1947 got the independence. In these years, particularly different type of movements also emerged. 1857, Sipai, like soldiers, this is also called soldiers. Soldiers also attacked in many regions of India. 1935 Act, 1935. This is one of the act and movement also started. 1935 Act and movements. 1935 is one of the act. British Governor General, who is mainly established of this act, Wellington. British Governor General Lord Wellington. Okay, Lord Wellington and Lord Cornwallis. Dalhousie also mainly development of the road network. Now present to roadways, national highway. Who is the main to Dalhousie? Dalhousie mainly help of the road network, road and railways, Indian railways. Okay, the railway network is also second largest of the network. Total allow one. Okay, next to 1942 Kitty movement. 1942 Kitty movement. This is also one of the last independent of the movement. So after next to 1947. So here was many timeline. What is timeline? The timeline about what is special about 1857, 1935, 1942 and 1945, 47 last 2 years. Okay, these are the movements mainly help of the Constitution of India. Constitution of India. So the Indian Constitution. Okay, this British government mainly provinces, princely states also emerged. 1935 in this year, princely regions also. For example, princely states of India. Princely state Madras is also one of the princely state. Next another princely state Travancore region. Travancore. Now is called Kerala. And next Mysore, Hyderabad. Okay, these are mainly under the strongest of the princely state. Okay, Hyderabad is under the separate of Nizams, not directly. Okay, this is remaining areas total under the direct of the British rule of these areas, directly ruling of Britishers, except Hyderabad areas. The Hyderabad region under the control by Nizams. So princely states, princely regions. The princely states also, many princely states also changed the directions. In which year? Which act? 1935. 1935 Act, particularly main important of the movement civil disobedience, Salt Satyagraha movements, non-cooperation movement also, non-cooperation. The mainly discourage of the foreign policies, encouragement of local items, local plant, okay, rubber plantations, okay, encouragement to only local type of productions only. Okay, total discourage of the other foreign type of plants. Non-cooperation movement also mainly turning point of the 1935 Act. Okay, next The 1935 Act, what is result? What is the main result? 1935. The result between the particularly result. What is main result 1935? This 1935 Act mainly some parts only, some regions only successful. The remaining areas total people solve the problems. Particularly Madras and Bombay, Bengal province area. These provinces are already more developed in 1935 Act. Remaining areas total Attapur and Lut and many regions of area. So the result between in this act and compared to non-cooperation movement act, non-cooperation movement and 1935, it is the difference between particularly changes of the directions. So Britishers and ruling and change of the western part to eastern part, western region. Particularly first Britishers came to India, east area. East means Bengal. Bengal to traveling to western parts of area, particularly mainly which areas? Coastal regions area. The coastal regions areas more developed of the coastal sports, Bombay, Madras, Bengal and Visakhapatnam district, Kerala, coastal regions. The coastal regions under the directly controlled Britishers. Remaining areas, princely regions. For example, Telangana region is also one of the princely region under the non-directly ruling of Britishers. Directly ruling of Britishers, coastal regions, western and eastern coastal region. Okay, western coastal is the longest coastal, eastern coastal is the smallest coastal line. Coastal areas also developed. Okay, next desert areas. For example, northwestern provinces region. The desert areas also under the direct ruling of the many British Governor Generals, Wellington, Dalhousie, and next to Karamwalis. Karamwalis announced of the system, Raitwari system. Raitwari means farmers, about farmers, encouragement of the farmers. Karamwalis, one of British Governor General, Karamwalis. Karamwalis announced the system, Raitwari system. Raitwari means farmers. Raitwari system, Karamwalis. Okay, road and railways. Who is mainly developed road and railways? Lord Dalhousie. Okay, William Bentinck. Okay, William Bentinck mainly announced of the new increase of the tax system, taxes, direct and indirect tax. There are the income tax, like example, tax system mainly. Who is announced main tax system? William Bentinck. Okay, so Karamwalis, Dalhousie, and next to Lord Curzon, British Governor General, one of the person, Lord Curzon. Lord Curzon divided two regions. Okay, British Governor General period, Bengal divided two parts, East Bengal and West Bengal. The West Bengal, East Bengal, two regions divided. Who is the main person? Lord Curzon. Curzon mainly announced of the new economical policy also, divide of the two regions, East Bengal and West Bengal. So this is the mainly 1935 Act. Okay, this 1935 Act mainly help of the Constitution of India, Indian Constitution, and under the control by the direct ruling of princely regions. Here total how many provinces, regions are there? How many states? Total 495 princely states. Total all over India, how many princely states? 495. Okay, princely states meaning king or queen controlled by the region, the place or the region controlled by king or queen. King or queen. Okay, king or queen only under the controlled by the princely states. For example, Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmir region also one of the princely states, and United Province, Bengal, Bombay provinces. Okay, next to Mysore and next mention also one of the provinces of the princely states. Total how many? 495 princely states. Up to which year? Up to 1947. Okay, 1947. The princely states under the direct measure of the 1945 to 2 years. Last 2 years. Okay, last 2 years meaning 1945 to 47 independence period. 1945 to 47, some princely states emerged of the Indian constitution. Okay, some princely states ruling emerged of the Indian part. Example, Jammu and Kashmir is also one of the princely states up to 1942. 1942 after 1945. 1945 period emerged of the Indian constitution princely states. The princely states under the control by the directly ruling of system. Remaining area provinces. Remaining area under the control provinces. Large part of areas. The now is called provinces now divide states. Provinces now divide states. Okay, some 3 or 4 states. Okay, now 3 or 4 states. Every region, western part, eastern and south. Now 3 or 4 states. It is one of the part of the large provinces, large part of areas. Okay, so these provinces are so under the direct controlling of the British rulers. Direct controlling of the British rulers. Some provinces are under the not directly controlled. Not directly means here princely, like a princely or other foreign countries. Okay, foreign policies. 1935 year another policy, foreign policy. What is meant by foreign policy? Foreign policy means foreign system. Oh, okay, foreign policies, exports and imports. Okay, foreign policy means mainly India to other foreign countries like food and raw materials, harvest final materials. Okay, next here daily electronic items also some areas. Electronic items and food materials, particularly cotton, silk and other food materials. Okay, timber also. So these are mainly like about to depend on forest. The forest type of materials also export to other foreign countries like Burma and Britain, exported India to other foreign countries. Okay, so this is one of foreign policy. Policy means export and imports. Export and import. Which is to particularly cotton and silk also imports between Britain to India and India to Britain. Okay, India to other Burma or Bangladesh. Okay, export and imports also encouraged in this year. Which year? 1935. So this 1935 Act last final result. What is about result? The result is totally many looting and destroying of the many places. Destroying of the many regions and looting, and next total collapse of the many regions, looting and destroy. Okay, this is the last final result of the 1935. Okay, next conclusion. What is about conclusion in 1935? Conclusion. About this. Okay, this conclusion mainly. The conclusion about 1935. Okay, British government period. Particularly 1935 Act. Many British governor generals ruling. Princely states also emerged. First one what? Mainly princely regions. Establishment of the princely states. Next provinces, elections. Conduct the elections. What is conclusion about? Elections also conducted. 1872. For example, 1872 British Governor General elections. British Governor General means some parts only conduct the elections. Bengal, Bombay, next Madras, some large provinces, areas only conduct the elections. Okay, the elections total all over India, not only some regions only. Okay, so princely states must next elects. Okay, conduct the provincial elections. Provinces, provincial elections. Next, number 3, number 1, princely states, emergence of the princely states. Okay, for example, Hyderabad, Junagadh, Kashmir, and these are the princely states. Okay, Hyderabad, Junagadh is now which state now? Gujarat. Okay. Okay, next these are the Mysore. These are the many princely states. The princely states also many changes of the direction. Next, Karnataka province elections, particularly which area? Bombay, Madras, Bengal province and United provinces. Okay, United provinces means Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and neighboring area, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh area. Next, number 3, transport system also. Transport, road, railway, okay, waterways. Mainly the transport system also developed in this act. Transport system. Okay, London to Bombay, England capital London to India economical capital Bombay. Transport elections. Next one, transport, sea transport. Next one, foreign policy. Okay, these are the main conclusions about 1935 Act. Transport, particularly sea transport, India to other foreign countries, and for example, sea transport most developed of the Bombay and Bengal and Madras provinces, Madras regions area. Next, implement of the foreign policy, foreign India to other foreign countries policy system. Okay, these are the special about conclusion about 1935 Act. Okay, tomorrow we will continue discuss Constitution principles. Okay, how to mainly establish of the Constitution aims, and what is about Indian Constitution and compared to other foreign country Constitution. Okay, the Constitution about total principles. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss. Okay.